Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Stripe Webhook delivery for subscriptions with Zapier step by step clearly. To verify Stripe Webhook delivery for subscriptions using Zapier, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section on the left-hand menu. Select the Webhooks tab to view your existing webhooks. Click on the endpoint you want to verify. Here, you can see the recent events triggered by your Stripe account. Make note of the most recent webhook delivery in the list. Click on the delivery you want to examine for more details. Check the status to ensure it shows as successful. If the delivery is successful, review the response data. Now, open a new tab and log into your Zapier account. Select the Zap that corresponds to the Stripe webhook you are verifying. In the Zap setup, locate the section for the trigger step, usually labeled as webhook. Test the trigger to confirm that Zapier has received data from the Stripe web. If the test is successful, Zapier will display the data it received. Review this data to ensure it aligns with what you expect from Stripe. Double-check the data fields to verify all required information is present. Next, navigate to the action step in your Zapier app. Choose the subsequent action you wish to take based on the webhook data. Set up this action according to your specific needs. Test this action to ensure it works as intended with the webhook data. If everything looks good, proceed to enable your Zap. This confirms that your webhook from Stripe is verified and functional with Zapier. Monitor your Stripe webhook logs for any future delivery issues as needed. Regularly test your Zap to ensure ongoing compatibility with Stripe updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.